What's up, you guys? We're going to talk about BitTorrent BTT, some interesting news about it, and we're going to cover the most lucrative, in my opinion, the NFT projects that are going to explode in 2022 and why you need to be aware. Now, before I get into it, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, love the support. If you're new to the channel, occasionally we do giveaways, and what I'd like you to do, and I'd like this video to be part of a giveaway, but I need to see 150 likes. I need to see, we'll make it easy, 5,000 views. And I need to see just 400 new subscribers. Comment down below. We pick people from the commenters. If we hit those benchmarks, you have my promise, I will give away at least one brand new computer to one of the commenters down below. So remember, subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. And if we hit the benchmark on the video, in the next video immediately, I will announce the winner of the new laptop. Now, that aside, we do occasional giveaways. Can't talk. We do occasional giveaways regardless. So you always want to comment down below, because when we do occasionally do that, we pick people from the commenters, and in videos that follow, we announce who actually got selected. Now, most important thing with the video today, BitTorrent news and the NFTs that are going to explode. And I'm going to get into it in a second. And no, it's not Samsung. And no, it's not Coinbase. I'm going to talk about them both. But Samsung has announced an NFT platforms for smart TVs. Now also, by the way, you guys, just want to get into this for a second. 75, and for simplicity's sake, just have a little slideshow here, just to visually simplify what I'm talking about for myself, my own thoughts, and of course for you. 73 million Coinbase users. That's their user base. 2.5 million pumped in their email address on Coinbase just so they could be notified when the NFT marketplace actually comes to fruition. It's a lot of people. 2.5 million people. Now, in 2021, there was 22 billion in NFT activity on the internet. Think about that, $22 billion. It was the first year that the NFTs were really popular. Can you imagine what happens when they mainstream? So, like I was saying, Samsung is going to launch an NFT marketplace on their TV sets, and Binance, of course, is in on the action with their own. I think that you guys are going to be pretty surprised. First of all, the NFT winner that I'm going to talk about later has 1 billion users, and I'm going to share who it is. The cool thing about this, the way the NFT market is set up, and not many people see this clearly, and I'm going to make it very clear during the video, every single person, regardless of budget or age on this planet, can get a piece of that NFT marketplace, that world NFT money machine, as long as they're informed. That's all it takes. So I'm going to go back to Samsung announcing their NFT platform. Let's do a quick flash round through some prices. We've got BitTorrent. Let's do a little refresh because I did this a few minutes ago. We got BitTorrent sitting right now at, well, it actually took me to the main page. That's fine. So we're going to do BitTorrent in a second. We've got BTC at $47,172.80. We've got Ethereum at $3,821.92. We've got Solana at $174.80. We got XRP at 84 cents. We've got Terra at $92.83. We got Cardano $1.37. That's at least a $3 in the next 12 months. In my opinion, not investment advice. We got Polkadot 30.39. We got Stellar at 29 cents. We got Polygon at 2.49. Chainlink 23.10. Doge at 17 cents. And that was a public one I shared with everybody. It was at it's at 17.2 today, not much higher, but a few days ago I said I see it going much, much higher. Very soon, it's a trade alert and a buy. We got Shiba at 0.000034. And let's see, where's Internet Computer? 2829. Interesting. So let's take a peek and let's see what Tron is doing. We got 0.078. Let's see what BTT is doing. We're at 0.0028. And now let's go back and check out what we were talking about earlier, which seems to have disappeared, but that's fine because we'll find it again. Here we go. Perfect. I see the sun coming into view here, which may not be so perfect, but we'll bear with it. At least you can't say you can't see me, right? So Samsung announces NFT platform for smart TVs. Upcoming Samsung smart TVs will have a built-in platform where users can browse, buy, and sell NFTs. South Korea tech giant Samsung revealed a new smart TV lineup with an integrated non-fungible token NFT platform. Samsung's 2022 smart TVs, much as micro LED, Neo QLED, and the Frame, will have an NFT platform app that can be used for discovering, purchasing, and trading digital artwork, according to an announcement on Monday. So, I mean, this is a natural, and no, I don't think they're going to be number one. They're trying to be the Amazon. Many people, many companies, entities are going to try to be the Amazon of NFTs, and it's going to be a big year for that, trying to basically cement a foothold in there and become a leader. So, and again, it will not be Samsung that will be this leader, in my opinion. I am going to get to this in a second, not in a second, but in another minute or so. With demand for NFTs on the rise, the need for a solution to today's fragmented viewing and purchasing landscape has never been greater. They need that ease of use. I don't think it's going to be OpenSea. I think OpenSea is going to get smoked like a Netscape. In 2022, the company aims to introduce the first smart TV NFT explorer and marketplace aggregator. And yeah, I know Netscape was a browser. Some of you will say, well, OpenSea is not. It is. Things are more sophisticated nowadays. You can offer a lot through a website. It can be, and it is already, in my opinion, well, not an app on its online form on your computer, but what it is it's definitely a browser, and it's a browser that opens the world of NFTs, and they will not be the leader either. In 2022, the company aims to introduce the first smart TV NFT explorer and marketplace aggregator. The upcoming platform will enable viewers to browse and also trade NFTs without leaving the couch. So, ease of use, they already have a built-in user base. It's a television set, right? So if you can sit there and click buttons, and again, I don't think they're going to be the leader. That's coming in a second. But you have a built-in user base that's basically held captive because they already use your product. That Samsung TV is already being used, right? So if it's already being used and all a person has to do is click a couple buttons to buy NFT, well, the ease of use is there. The water cooler method that I always talk about is there, right? You need to build something where people come back to it every day over and over and over again, similar to the old water cooler in the office. It's got to be sticky, which is an internet term, which means people keep returning and it's hard to leave and it's hard to stay away. So they got it down pat right there. And also, you know, it's a way to mainstream into the market that is not so tech savvy, because everybody has a TV, almost everybody. Many people buy Samsungs. Many of the older generation are not interested in, and they have money, right? Every marketplace needs money. You don't want to shut that segment out. So this is a smart way for Samsung to get a piece of the pie here, to go after their user base. They have the younger user base, of course, and older with their mobile phones, their smartphones. But you have that sweet spot in the market that is not tech savvy, that will, out of curiosity, get involved with their television sets. And that is a sleeper, is a natural fit, is a diamond in the rough, in my opinion. Now, I'm going to tell you what's going to be the #1 leader and why I say that everybody, regardless of their geographic location, regardless of their budget, regardless of their financial status, they're savvy, as long as they're informed, everyone can get a piece of this about to boom, the real boom, the mainstream boom, which is going to start its first hard push this year. And that leader, I believe, that has over 1 billion users. Now remember, we got Coinbase. And Coinbase has 73 million users, right? And what happened there? 2.5 million pumped in their email address. So what happens is, and this is highly targeted marketing, when 2.5 million people pump in their email address out of any size of basically traffic, user base in this case, a good portion of those are going to become clients for the NFTs. So if Coinbase can do that with 73 million, and they have a huge user base that uses that base every day, day in, day out, what do you think BitTorrent can do with its file sharing with 1 billion users? They're going to be the leader. Hope this finds you healthy, happy. Hit the bell and subscribe if you haven't. I hope we hit the benchmark so I can do the giveaway for this video, and I will see you as usual on the next video. Thanks for watching.